Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this segment we'll try 3 easy twists: mango float, mocha crunch, and cookies and amp green graham cake. Step-by-step graham cake recipe you can make today, no bake. Follow these fast steps and you will have a fridge-ready dessert in minutes. The rest is all chill time. Ingredient list with smart swaps. For an 8x8 inch pan, about 2 cups cold heavy cream or 2 packs all-purpose cream. 1/2 to 2/3 cup sweetened condensed milk, adjust to taste. 1 teaspoon vanilla. Pinch of salt. 1 to 1½ sleeves graham crackers. 2 to 3 cups sliced fruit or flavor add-ins. Swaps and extras: lactose-free cream or coconut cream for dairy-free. Gluten-free graham crackers for sensitive guests. 1 tablespoon cocoa powder or instant coffee for mocha notes. Crushed cookies for crunch. Taste the cream mixture before layering so sweetness lands where you like it. Mix the cream and make the base. Whip very cold cream to soft peaks. It should billow and hold lines but still look soft. Fold in condensed milk, vanilla, and salt. Taste and adjust sweetness now. Spread a thin layer of cream on the bottom of the pan. This keeps the first cracker layer from sliding. Layer, chill, and slice clean. Lay graham crackers in a single layer over the thin cream base. Spread a gentle layer of cream. Add fruit or your flavor add-in. Repeat the layers. Finish with cream on top. Aim for 3 to 4 layers in an 8x8 inch pan. Keep layers even and edges neat. Cover tightly with plastic wrap. Chill at least 6 hours, best overnight. For clean slices, dip a thin knife in hot water, wipe dry, then cut. Wipe and warm between cuts. Serve cold. Top with graham crumbs or fresh fruit right before serving. Fixes for soggy, runny, or too sweet. Soggy, pat fruit dry and avoid very juicy layers. Skip watermelon and similar watery fruits. Runny, whip cream to soft peaks, chill longer, and check that your fridge is cold. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons cream cheese to the cream for extra stability if needed. Too sweet, use less condensed milk, add a pinch of salt, or add a small squeeze of lemon to brighten. Cracker layer breaking: use sheets instead of crumbs and avoid drowning the crackers with cream. Flavor ideas, serving tips, and storage for graham cake. Mango float and 3 more easy flavors. Mango float: use ripe, firm mango slices for neat layers. Add a touch of lime zest to the cream for brightness. Strawberry cheesecake: beat 3 tablespoons softened cream cheese into the cream for tang. Top with sliced strawberries for color and fresh flavor. Mocha crunch: mix 1 tablespoon instant coffee and 1 tablespoon cocoa into the cream for a bold taste. Finish with crushed chocolate cookies for texture. Cookies and cream: fold crushed chocolate sandwich cookies into the cream. Dust the top with fine cookie crumbs so it looks clean and polished. Budget, portions and scaling for parties. An 8x8 inch pan serves 9 to 12 small squares. A 9x13 inch pan serves 16 to 20. Budget friendly, most items are pantry staples. Use seasonal fruit or thawed frozen fruit that you dry well. For a 9x13 inch pan, double the cream and crackers. Keep the same chill time. Disposable pans work well for travel, potlucks, and easy cleanup. Toppings, plating, and occasions. Simple finishes: graham crumbs, toasted coconut, chocolate shavings, chopped nuts, or a sprig of fresh mint. Plating tip: chill plates, wipe each slice clean, and add a small fan of fruit on top. Occasions: birthdays, holidays, cookouts, or a last-minute dessert after dinner. It looks impressive, yet it is stress-free. Make ahead, fridge life, and freezer tips. Make ahead, best when chilled overnight. Lightly cover to avoid fridge odors. Fridge life, keeps 3 to 4 days. Add fresh fruit topping the day you serve. Freezer. Freeze without fresh fruit topping for up to 1 month. Thaw in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours. Food safety. Keep below 40 degrees F in the fridge. Do not leave out for more than 2 hours. A no-bake graham cake is simple, flexible, and perfect for any crowd. You only need cold cream, dry fruit, even layers, and an overnight chill. Start with the mango float, then try a second pan with mocha or cookies and cream. Share your version, ask questions, or rate the recipe so others can learn from your tweaks. Dessert should be easy, and this one proves it every time. Thanks for watching. See how beautifully it slices and chill time tips you won't want to miss. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.